Hey there, it's me, Quishar from Quishar Detroit Publishing. I hope you are enjoying your Monday. Thanks so much for taking the time to listen to my video about the 10 steps to writing your first book. The first step is to decide on your topic. What are you going to write your book about? You could write your book about whatever your career is, whatever your hobby is. Is there something that friends or associates always ask you for advice on? That's the thing that you could write your book about. So now that you have your topic, what we have to do next is to do market research. A good place to start your market research is on Amazon. Go to Amazon and go to the bestseller list and type in your topic. See what people are writing about regarding your topic. See what the need is and how many books are on your topic. So if there are over 10,000, 20,000 books on that topic, then you know that's a hot topic. Go ahead and use that as your topic to write your book. Number 2, do a brain dump. What is a brain dump, you may ask? A brain dump is when you write down a topic on a piece of paper in the middle of the paper, and then you draw lines all ways, all different kind of ways. You talk about anything and everything that comes to your mind. So basically, you're just transferring everything in your brain onto the paper about that specific topic. The next step is to create an outline, a detailed outline for your book. And also, you need to kind of come up with your completion deadline for your book. So you will complete a detailed outline. First of all, you're going to introduce your topic. You're going to tell a story about your topic, how it affected your life before the topic, before the problem was resolved, the issues that you have while you are going through that problem, and then you're going to come up with a resolution throughout your writing. And then after the resolution, you're going to tie everything together and come up with a conclusion. And at the end of the book, you want to make sure that you have a specific offer to take your customer through your sales funnel. And what you may ask is a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a process in which you introduce your reader to your offerings. Each level you may have, the first level may be something simple, and then you're just doing upgrades throughout the process. The next thing is to write your first draft. So now that you have your topic, you've researched your topic and you know that this is a good topic and you know that there is a great demand for this topic. You did a brain dump, so you talked about everything, you wrote everything that was on your mind about this topic. You've done research. Also, another place to do research is to go to YouTube. YouTube would have so much information about your specific topic. The next thing you could do is you can go to Facebook. You can do research scholarly journals. You can listen to podcasts. There's so many different ways in which you can do market research for your topic. So you go ahead, do your first draft. Again, make sure you address what the issue is and have a solution for that issue. Next thing is to create a timeline for your promotion strategy. So the timeline for your promotion strategy, you want to make sure that if your book is coming out in 2 months, you're going to want to map out what you're going to do. How are you going to get the customers to pay attention to your book? You may need a professional to help you with this. So do not be afraid to reach out to a PR specialist or book consultants. Don't be afraid. Ask for help when you need it. The next step is to create your title and write your book synopsis. So based upon what your book is about, you're going to come up with a creative title for that. Then you're going to write your book synopsis. I'm just going to write a brief explanation of what your book is talking about on the back of your book. The next thing is to work on the creative aspects of your book, your cover, graphics, and do a photo shoot. You need a clean and crisp photo for your promotional material regarding your new book. The next step is to go to the editing and formatting process. So once you have you wrote your first draft, you have your title, you have your book synopsis, you have your cover, graphics, photo shoot. You want to make sure that your book is professionally edited. You don't want to just, do Microsoft Word and just do spell check. That's not enough. After you do Microsoft Word and do a spell check, you can also use Grammarly. They have a free app. Do the free app with Grammarly and then get it to an editor so that your editor can make sure that everything is correct. They can spot check for you to make sure certain details are included in your book that you would overlook. So make sure you get a professional editor. You do not want to skimp on editing, because if the book is not edited correctly, then that's your credibility right out the window. The next thing to do, once your book is edited and formatted, you want to publish your book. If it is a ebook, you can publish your book on Kindle for Amazon for Kindle. And if it is a paperback book, you can publish that on CreateSpace. Then the next thing is number 10. After your book is published, then you need to celebrate. Celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. And after you celebrate, rinse and repeat. Do everything over again. And the thing about it is, once you start doing these things over again, it's going to be like second nature to you. Your book is your business. Your book will open up doors of opportunity to be a speaker. You can do webinars. You can do workshops. You can do virtual book tours. You can do national book tours. So there are so many things that you can do once you write your book. Again, these are the 10 steps to writing a book. The first one is to decide on a topic and do market research. The second thing is to do a brain dump. The third thing is create an outline and a deadline for your book completion. The fourth thing is to write your first draft. The fifth thing is to create a timeline for your promotion strategy. The sixth thing to do is to create your title and write your book synopsis. Number 7, work on the creative aspects of your book. You may need to reach out to a professional graphic artist. That includes your cover, graphics, and photo shoot. And number 8, editing and formatting your book with a professional. Number 9, publish your book to either Kindle if it's an ebook or CreateSpace for a paper book. These are just some options. There are some other options out there as well. And number 10, celebrate at every stage and rinse and repeat. Start the process all over again. Again, this is Quishara Halliburton with Quishara Detroit Publishing. Go ahead and write your first book.